It looks like I am by the mountains, Le Cime di Lavaredo, in Italy, but it's not true. I'm still here at Interpack 2026, specifically by the Technopark Group booth, almost ready to meet Corrado and Michele Pozzer. Large and impressive, the Technopark Group booth here at Interpack 2026. Corrado, how is going on this event?
First of all, very happy to say welcome to Interpack 2026, an amazing exhibition. Day 5 today, 4 days with a lot of customers, incredible visitors, high label customer. That was the real important information we got yesterday and the day before and since Thursday. There are a lot of customers, I said, even today we are inside not an exhibition, we are inside the exhibition because this is the exhibition of packaging. Once more is confirmed. We have seen really a lot of visitors during this day, even if we were a little worried because what is happening in the world today was giving us some doubt about the possibility to see all these guys, all these people, all these customers coming. But the reality is that they are here, we are together, we are presenting an amazing number of machines. So for Technopack Group, for the first time, we are saying only Technopack Group. It's really something that we like. We love to stay with customers. That's normal. This year, even more. Thank you very much to be with us.
Great. Michele, you have several solutions showcased here. Would you describe more relating the automatic line?
Yes, sure. Here in Interpack booth, we have the complete line that we can propose to our customers, starting from the primary packaging with our new flow wrapper, the FP100 Compact. Then we have the robotized cell in which we are forming and filling the trays. Then we have our secondary packaging machine, which is a flow wrapper designed and realized by us in order to work with the paper film, which is very, very requested from our customers nowadays. And then we are moving on the wraparound machine, a case packer. So we are putting the product inside the carton boxes, ready for the palletizers for our impianti, and then sending directly to the ATL, which is a big, big news for us in Interpack 2026.
To which industrial customers is addressed to?
We are addressed to every customer. We work in the confectionery sector, bakery. We can work more or less for everyone. We have solutions tailor-made for every customer, for every product. So we are very pleased to be here with all our machines in order to show the customers what we can give them and in what we can work with them.
So just 3 days ahead about Interpack. Thank you so much to Corrado Pozzer and to Michele Pozzer and to the Technopack Group. Have a great show.
Thank you to you.